Hello, hello, and welcome to Wumble's Hive. It's time again. It's the 16th, and it's Archie's countdown to Christmas. So, let's have a look at number 15 before we start. I'll move the candle before I set everything on fire. It is a beautiful foxy red with a gorgeous orange glow. That's lovely, right? Okay, so we are up to number 16, which is baby carrots. What colour do you suppose that one is? Oh, and they've all turned up upside down. Ta-da! Nope. Yay! Finally got a little bit more Christmas present buying done. I'm so late this year, it's crazy. But I went to a lovely local garden centre and then to a Christmas market over the last weekend. Some lovely things. So we've got a gorgeous pink wrapper with candies on the back. I'm pretty sure they're Quality Street, you know. Right, here we are. What colour is baby carrots? What do you guys think? I'm going with orange, but seeing as they were originally purple, I believe. Who knows? It's orange. Oh, it looks like it's got a bit of silver in it. That's a nice colour. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. Oh, it's a lovely yellow orange as well. So are you guys all ready for Christmas? If you're all wrapped up and your tree's up and all of that, you're just too much for me. Right, let's have a look at this colour. Ooh, that is nice. That is a good colour. The watercolours themselves are very easy to activate this year. There were a few last year that were quite difficult, but these ones are lovely and easy. And very highly pigmented, as you can see from the orange in the water right now. Right, so I was thinking that cinnamon was a little bit orangey, but in comparison, that one is definitely orange. That is beautiful. Like I say, it's a lovely yellow version. So let's see what that looks like tomorrow, because I can't see exactly what kind of shine's happening just yet. So we'll have to have a look together once it's fully dry. And until then, guys, find something that makes you happy. And smile, because apparently I don't know my own words today. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.